This is how to upload files on TransferNow. First, go to transfernow.net, and from their homepage, you can see here Start, an animated button. So you can automatically click this one to upload your files, or if you have a folder, click this plus a folder icon right here to upload your folder. So we will click Start to upload files and choose your files you want to upload. If you want to upload multiple files, just press Ctrl and click your files you want to upload and click Open. Then you can start sending files or create a link. So we will send files. Put your email address, add a sender name, and your recipient's email. Then add a subject, for instance, backups, and your message is optional as well. You can add your message here and just click transfer. And the files have been transferred to the recipient email. So this is how to upload files on TransferNow.